just walk away like Kelly Clarkson. I know we was free to sleep around town, but I figured you said that, cause how I get down. Now of course you was out there messing around. I would've told you, once you go ghost, you never go back. Try GME like I don't know how to Mac. I'm a Don and top of the line, I stay flying. Stop trying to keep covering the lies and using my credit cards to buy diamonds. We need to straighten this out, get to the bottom of it all. Let's grow before we start the walk. Begin with 2 reasons why we need to talk, and stop popping up in my cribs all over New York. And that stalking, you such trouble and no good. The fighting words in my block and we in the hood.
I cheated myself like I knew I would. I told you I was trouble. You know that I'm no good.
You had to be a nasty girl and try to play me. Nasty girl, nasty girl, try to play me. Yo, hey yo, I knew you was trouble when I first laid eyes on you. Temperature so hot, the heat just rise with you. Let me ride with you, talk about your mistakes. You cheated yourself, but these are the breaks, and it'll never be the same again. Cause oh boy, but oh boy, together we made so much joy in the sands. And oh what a wet we weed, but you played me, so I had to roll up my sleeves and hunt you down, holding the next man's stacks.